XTM is a company based in Torquay. We're an Australian-owned business where we design snowwear and snow accessories. So anything that you're going to wear to go and have a good day up at the snow. Prior to 2017, we were using 3PL providers. We decided that we'll bring all the warehousing operation under our own banner, where we're in control of our destiny, because we think we could offer a much better service to our end customers. We've been on the SAP Business One ERP system since 2013, and as part of that we wanted to have a WMS solution that interfaces seamlessly into SAP Business One. We looked around and settled finally on the RIC Group and found them to be an excellent business partner to be associated with. They put the time and effort in coming out and understanding our business. They proposed solutions to help improve our business as we were implementing our warehouse from a greenfield site. So it was a very good partnership from the outset. They've helped us grow along the way, developing solutions such as EDI interfacing, KPI statistics using our Microsoft Power B1 application. And also now we're just about to implement Smart Freight solution, which is a freight aggregator. So using that through WMS has been a fantastic benefit to our business.
With TBO4 and SAP, all the integration, it's made it easier for us to see stock on hand, inventory, so we're making sure our customers are getting the correct stock on hand. We're able to do our stock takes all via guns as well now, not manually. So our stock on hand is more accurate, which means going on to our customers, our business customers, our stock on hand is more accurate than it ever has been, because we're able to do these periodic stock takes as frequently as possible because we've got systems in place that make it so much easier. And everything's there, from inventory to transfer, receipting in containers. We used to do that manually. We now do that with a scanner. It's half the time of pretty much everything.
Because we're a seasonal business, we generally transition into new staff every season. And they find that after probably a one-day induction with the software, they find it very simple to pick up, and they're generally out and in their own within that first day and picking and packing under their own steam.
I can also train my staff on a desktop. So, everything that they use on the RF scanner, I can show them on a desktop. It's easy to explain if they've got it in a bigger form.
We can have multiple pickers working on the same order now. So that for large orders that might span many products, might be a 20, 30 pallet order, having multiple pickers, having a team working on that has made things so much easier. Would I recommend RIC Group to other businesses? Absolutely, and I have done. I can't emphasize just how simple the software is to use and how easy it is in the case of fixing errors. There are always going to be errors, and when you do make a mistake, the hardest thing is fixing it. The WMS system that we're using from RIC, the TBA04, makes it so simple. So yeah, I can't emphasize just how simple it was on all aspects of our business to use.